What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to curl your hair in 10 minutes. My name is Christine. I make beauty and life videos, so if you want to see more from me, then please subscribe down below. Fun fact, I actually just cut my hair or got it trimmed about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now, and I have not curled my hair with this small barrel yet, so I really kind of just wanted to curl it to see how it would look like and how it kind of flows. All I use when I am curling my hair and I'm in a hurry is just a little clip like this to hold up half of the hair while I'm curling the rest of it, and just my curling wand. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I always part my hair onto the side that I want it to be on before I start curling my hair. I actually just started parting my hair to this side. It's generally always on the other side, but with the new haircut, I just feel like it looks better on this side. So we're trying new things today. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my timer on, and we have 10 minutes. So I'm going to move pretty quickly, and because I'm trying a new, or I have like a new haircut, I actually haven't curled my hair with this barrel yet with this new haircut. I have an event, I'm going to my grandparents' 70th birthday party, so I want to see how my hair curls with a small barrel. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I think I'm going to curl one out and then one in and then one out and one in, kind of just go back and forth. And I'll just grab about an inch of hair, start at the top, and then kind of make my way down. And I always leave the tip a little bit out like this. And I don't leave it on the barrel too long, and woo, that was really curly. And right now my hair my hair curler is set to the highest heat setting. You can see the smoke coming off of my hair. And then I just release. And then all of this I'm just going to do all together. So now I'm going out. And hopefully this will be 10 minutes or less, which generally takes me 10 minutes to curl my hair. And also my mirror is on the side right here because I'm not in my natural element. So if I'm looking off to the side, I'm looking into the mirror. Okay, and then I always start with curling my hair out in the front, just because I feel like it looks a lot nicer with my face shape, and it frames my face a lot better than curling my hair in. And more smoke. Okay, and then release. And then the last piece. And for the most part, I know that I'm curling all of my hair because before I get started, I split my hair down the middle on the back, and it doesn't have to be exact. So I'll show you. I usually do about 3 to 4 layers, depending on how diligent I am being. So I'm gonna go ahead and part it right here at the crown, and then I just clip it back up with my little clippy, and then I go to the back and I just split it like that, and then I just go back and make sure I don't have any extra hairs, and then I'll just do the same thing. So my hair is not technically it's I washed it a day ago, and I haven't straightened it or anything. So this is just my hair, 1 day old hair. My hair generally curls pretty nicely too. And I'm not being too picky about the actual sizes of the curls or the curls because I'm going to run my hair through the curls anyways. So it's a little more wavy and it's not so perfectly curled. And then I always curl it just to about a little bit more than halfway. Okay, so we lost a little bit of time because my memory card was full, so I had to go and switch that out real quick. I forgot that I was on the timer, so I should still be able to finish on time. And okay, so I didn't miss anything. Okay, let's try and do this without burning ourselves, which I haven't done in a long time, but because, like I said, I'm not in my natural element, there is a high possibility that I can totally burn myself. So let's try and work quickly but diligently. And I'm using just a little like round face mirror, so I can only see so much of what's going on. And I feel like I'm gonna be having a good hair day today. My curls are just like, bam. Okay, and then I have one more here. So even though my hair curls pretty quickly and nicely, they still die down quite a bit, which I'm totally fine with, because back in the day when I used to curl my hair, the way that I would take it off of the barrel is how it would stay. And I'm sure that had a lot to do with the fact that I had really unhealthy hair. So I'm totally cool with my hair not staying in curls if that means that it is healthy. So then I do like the very top part. I leave this because I like to curl all of the top ones going in one direction, just because I feel like that's the best look for me. So we're doing 4 layers today. But generally, if I'm like in a real hurry, I'll just curl all of my hair in like 3 different layers. So this is technically the 3rd layer. And then you can see it's pretty, oh, we're going the wrong way. It's pretty easy to separate my curled hair from my straight hair. That's why I guess I can curl my hair pretty quickly and just let it fall naturally. Hopefully I didn't lose too much time from switching out my memory card. All right, now on to this side. Okay, just a couple more pieces to curl. And funny story, when I first met my husband, because I'm like super girly girl, but I mean, I like to play sports and stuff, and I can play sports. I told my husband that I can curl my hair in 10 minutes, and he didn't believe me. So we played a game where he watched me curl my hair, and I took 10 minutes. He actually timed me too, I think. And whether my hair is long or short, it can take me just 10 minutes to curl my hair. But I will say, because I'm using a regular curler, it takes me 10 minutes, but if I'm using just like a single barrel to like wrap around, it takes obviously a little bit longer, because you definitely do not want to burn yourself. And then I don't apply anything in my hair, as you can see. Okay, last layer. So I like to curl all of these just going outwards like that. And I always feel like the front and the top layer is like the most important. I'm gonna have to move my mirror because now I'm like crouching, because this is what people will see. There we go. Now it's too high. Come on, people, we're losing precious time here. Ah, darn it, that's my 10-minute mark. Okay, I get it. Like I said, I lost a few, like a minute or so, because I should have paused the timer. Now I feel like I failed, but I didn't. So I should have just timed myself instead of putting like an actual timer to see how much longer it would take. Okay, and then this side. And I'm curling all of the top layer, just going outward. As you can see, it's pretty quick. It's like curl, let it go, curl, let it go. All right, and that's the last one. Okay, so from here, that's how my hair looks like when it's curled, and depending on like how old my hair is, I will go in with a hair serum or like a hair oil of some sort, and then kind of brush through it, put it on my palms, and then brush through it. But because my hair looks pretty glowy and nice, I'm just going to brush my hands right through the curls like that, and kind of just let them sit nicely. And then I just kind of use my fingertips and help them along their way. Thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below so you can see more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!